Hi everyone, this is Shweta here. Well, today we are going to discuss about the careers in clinical research and what does a clinical research professional do exactly. Well, clinical research is the industry. It has been responsible for bringing numerous careers to the forefront for the healthcare professionals. Professionals involved in the direct patient care are taking the opportunity to transition from standard clinical care to the roles within the clinical research industry. Well, any background you may already have related to science, medicine, and or clinical practice is useful. But for clinical research, you will need to learn and master a whole new set of process based on the regulatory requirements before moving up the career ladder. Well, some of the useful information and tips, tricks in the panel seasoned in CRAs and CRCs in the field are like here. Let's check out this. And first thing is like to learn about the landscape of clinical research by taking the introductory courses. That's the most important thing what you have to do. And then you shouldn't limit yourself by focusing just on the duties of the job, like just the duties of the job. And the next thing is like network. By joining the professional organization and actively participating in the online and local opportunities to meet and learn from the established professionals. The third thing is like volunteer locally after exploring the avenues that are available in your area to get exposure to clinical research and its professionals and decide which one is right for you. The possibilities includes like the chapters, special interest groups, regional events of other organizations to medicines and the clinical research field, etc. Hospitals, yeah, things like that. And we should look for the opportunities like the formal internships with the medical centers, local biotechnology, medical devices, or pharmaceutical firms, vendors of services to clinical researchers. And also, once you are in the arena, initiate informational interviews, lunch meetings with, and also shadow professionals who are doing the kind of work in which you are interested. Attend research project meetings as an observer where it is allowed. And the seventh important point is like plan on earning your certification, which is the most important thing. Once your certification is like you have gone through your certification, you can establish your career. The second thing is, the last most important thing is to keep an open mind. In this economy, and job in a great target area and on the overall career path for the clinical research can be a good one for building your track record of time spent learning new skills, which together with your accomplishments should be listed on your resume. Some of the other important skills on the behavior to develop as a need and highlight in your professional training file includes like communication skills, time management skills, flexibility, adaptability, should be a good team player, budget negotiation skill, being process oriented, ability to recognize and appreciate the things. And clinical research is a field that takes you beyond the desk or lab jobs and offers a plenty of career prospects. In clinical research, the learning curve for professionals and deployment time in the job market is smaller as compared to other fields. Well, overall, we can say like, what does a clinical research professional do? Overall, clinical research professional oversees the whole process of clinical trial, ensures the scientific integrity, accurate data flow and analysis in the accordance with the regulatory authorities, protects rights and safety and well-being of the volunteers. And we provide you the advanced level training in the clinical research and allied healthcare fields and promote growth through academic and industry partnerships also. Thank you.